Sawadika! It's our first day in Thailand. First things first, i-withdraw tayo sa K-Bank. Madali lang to. First, just insert your card. Tap yung press here. Change language. Choose English. Then tap cash withdrawal. Enter the amount and then confirm. May 250 baht charge kada withdraw. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, mag-withdraw na kayo ng madami. After yan, pumunta kami sa Exit B kasi doon nag-aantay yung driver ng van. Nag-rent kasi kami ng van para sa airport pick-up. Bago ko makalimutan, nag-pick up na rin kami ng pocket wifi sa airport. Ayan ang rates. 4 days yan and share na kami. Sa group kami nag-book and pick up sa airport. Meron pang deposit na refundable once binalik the device. Tapos, sa Airbnb kami nag-book ng hotel namin. Malapit to sa Asia Peak and Grand Palace. 35,000, good for 17 to 25 packs. Malalaki at magagandang rooms. Kompleto sa gamit, may soap, shampoo na, and conditioner. Blower na din yan, may common kitchen, kaya pwede kayong magluto. Yun lang. Thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog.